Welcome! Why are documents so special? Documents in SAP ERP are evidence of real business processes. This video will show you some of the resulting special features in the system. For that reason, the difference between create and change transactions will be discussed. The customizing of document numbers will be shown, and the forward navigation will be demonstrated. At the close of this video, you realize how significant the create transaction is, where document numbers come from, and how convenient forward navigation could be. Let's get going with create and change transactions. When writing a letter on your computer, you can begin with some words only. Save your file and continue writing at a different time. Change anything you want, including the file name. Or you can just delete the whole file. Documents in SAP are somewhat different because you are in an accounting system. You get only once into the create transaction, then you can only use the change transaction for further entries. The existing document number does not change, and also certain fields in the document cannot be changed. And the document can't be deleted, because in bookkeeping nothing is deleted, but reversed. Let's have a look at the change transaction of the purchase order. At a glance, you can see which fields can't be changed. All fields that are colored light blue. In contrast, the contents of the white-colored fields can be modified. You must, of course, save the changes. So, bear in mind that you can enter the create transaction for a document only once, and that via the change transaction, not all fields can be modified. Let's move on to the number range. Did you notice that the document numbers of a purchase requisition and a purchase order start with different numbers? All the purchase requisition documents start with the number 10, while the purchased orders start with 45. The reason for that is a corresponding customizing, where you can set number ranges per document type. First, a number range is defined and then assigned to a document type. That's the line of action for all document types throughout the application areas of SAP ERP. This way, you can realize the document type by just looking at the document number. Each company decides which number ranges or intervals are to be used. There are no legal regulations, apart one, that every number has to be unique. Once you know the connection between document types and number ranges, it's time to look at the forward navigation. A document that is created on the base of a preceding document is called a follow-up document. For instance, the contents of a purchase requisition can be copied into a purchase order, which is then the follow-up document. This way, whole change of documents are produced, with each document taking the data from the previous one, such as purchase requisition, purchase order, delivery, invoice. Within a document, you can navigate directly into a subsequent document. This is called forward navigation. Let's see here at the status tab of a purchase requisition. That's the number of the follow-up document, the purchase order. By double-clicking on the document number, I get immediately into this document. But I'm still in the same session, as you can see on the status bar of the window. By clicking on the back button of the standard toolbar, I get back to the preceding document. This way, you can navigate forward and back throughout document chains in one window. Forward navigation also works with some master data fields. From your current document, you may navigate to the material master or the cost center just by double-clicking on them. At this time, you know that forward navigation enables you to easily navigate between documents of a document chain or to master data. With that, you're at the end of the video. Let's have a recap of the document special features in SAP. First, a create transaction can only be entered once. All later changes must be made via the change transaction, but not everything can be modified. And because of bookkeeping rules, a document can't be deleted, only reversed. Second, a number range is assigned to each document type via customizing. Each document has a unique number. And third, forward navigation allows you to easily navigate within a chain of documents to particular documents or to some master data. And all happens in the same session. Forward by double-clicking on the document number, back by clicking on the back button of the standard toolbar. That's all for this time. The next video is about calling reports in SAP. Thank you for watching and bye!